Good afternoon, everyone. I'm SWKSS Chief Damon Latham, and this is a weather update. Big weather update today, so we'll jump right into things. Weather rundown. Quiet weather before the storm. We're talking about severe storms as well on Friday. Dangerously cold weather coming as well, and a first big snow chance in a little while across the SWKSS region as well. Today's video will be split up in a severe weather update and a winter weather update as well. Take a look at current conditions across the area right now. Here in SWKSS's hometown of Cadiz, temperature is 39 degrees, dew point 30.6, wind southwest at 9 miles an hour, humidity 70.9%, and precipitation 0.00 inches since 12 a.m. Other temperatures around the region: Murray was at 41 degrees, Benton 40, Paducah at 41, Princeton at 37 degrees, Clarksville, Tennessee at 37, and Dover, Tennessee at 37 degrees. That's all we have for this portion of the video. We're going to jump into a severe weather update right now. And good afternoon, everyone. Thanks for joining us for our severe weather portion of today's video. I know today's been long. We do have a winter weather update after this, and then that will be the last portion of today's video. For severe weather, we're expecting this Friday the 12th. That would be before 3 p.m. After 3 p.m., we start sweeping over to winter weather, talking about winter weather, snow and sleet after that. So it's going to be one of those true Western Kentucky days on Friday, where we're talking about severe weather first part of the day. Second part of the day, we're talking about our winter weather portion of things. So taking a look at what the Storm Prediction Center is saying as of right now, day 3, severe weather outlook. Level 1 marginal risk across the entire SWKSS region. You see that enhanced level 3 risk to our south, as well as level 2 risk, slight risk to our south as well. I do think, taking a look at things, take a look at models this morning, that we could see a heightened risk for at least damaging wind gusts in our area. Take a look at our risk right now. I do think damaging winds will be the leading risk. However, we have a low-end risk right now, as well as a low-end risk of an isolated tornado or two. I do think those will be on the lower end as well if they do happen. However, damaging wind risk, I think, could be heightened as we get closer. Big question is how much destabilization we see in the warm sector of this storm in our area. That is the big 110%, $110 million question right now. So it's just something we do not know right now at this point in time. Timing, as I said, to be determined. However, if anything does happen, it will be the first part of the day before 3 p.m. and we get into our winter weather side of things. So that's all we have for your severe weather portion of today's video. We're going to jump in to our winter weather portion of things. And good afternoon, everyone. Thanks for staying on with us for our winter weather portion of things. I know this is what everybody wants to know about, so let's jump into it. Dangerously cold temperatures that will be impacting the area, as well as some accumulating snowfall. So we'll jump into both of those. Dangerously cold temperatures to start with. Uh, Climate Prediction Center has outlined our area in a high risk for dangerously cold temperatures to impact the area through the end of the week and the first part of next week. Uh, we'll jump into high confidence right now for our dangerously cold temperatures. Temperatures will remain below freezing over the entire area Sunday through Tuesday. Morning wind chill temperatures will be well below zero over much of the area on Sunday into Monday. Also, I do want to back up there momentarily. I didn't add it in, however, make sure we do have some safe heat sources uh, due to the dangerously cold temperatures. Also, um, due to the possibility of power outages from Friday, make sure you have a secondary heat source that is safe as well. Uh, Also, if you are going to be out and about in this, make sure you have a blanket. A good way to contact somebody out in the car. Make sure your homes are good and winterized. And once we do get into the cold temperatures like this, make sure we're leaving water dripping to prevent water pipes from freezing as well. So let's lighten things up. Let's talk about our snowfall that everybody wants to know about. We do have a medium confidence right now, Sunday into Monday, accumulating snowfall accumulation could reach up to 1 to 4 inches. This could go up, it could go down as we get closer. However, I think as of right now, it's a good bet. 1 to 4 inches possible of accumulating snowfall by Monday. So let's end things out. Let's talk about our 5-day weather forecast today. Mostly sunny with a high near 44, southwest wind around 11 miles an hour. Tonight, mostly clear with a low of 34, breezy with a southwest wind 10 to 20 miles an hour with gusts as high as 30 miles an hour. On Thursday, sunny with a high near 54, southwest wind 6 to 9 miles an hour, becoming southeast in the afternoon. Thursday, Thursday night, a 80% chance of rain, mainly after midnight, low of 41, breezy with the southwest wind 8 to 13 miles an hour, increasing 15 to 20 miles an hour after midnight. Winds could gust as high as 30 miles an hour. On Friday, we do have that level 1 marginal risk for severe weather the first part of the day, a 100% chance of rainstorms. Some storms could be strong to severe before 3 p.m. Then snow mixing with rain and sleet. Some thunder also possible with that one. High starting out at 54. We're going to be dropping as we go at second part of the day. Breezy with southeast wind 17 to 22 miles an hour, becoming west southwest 23 to 28 miles an hour in the afternoon. Winds could gust as high as 41 miles an hour. That could cause some power outages as well. Again, so we're going to be going colder from here, so make sure that we are having secondary heat sources as well, as I said before. Friday night, a 30% chance of rain and snow before 9 p.m., then a chance of snow between 9 p.m. and midnight. Mostly cloudy with a low of 19 degrees. Winds could gust as high as, or west wind 21 miles an hour to 30 miles an hour with gusts as high as 44 miles an hour. Saturday, mostly sunny with a high near 34 degrees, breezy with west wind 14 to 20 miles an hour with gusts as high as 30 miles an hour. Saturday night, partly cloudy with a low of 17 degrees, west wind 10 to 13 miles an hour with gusts as high as 20 miles an hour. Sunday, a chance of snow in the afternoon, mostly cloudy with a high of 31 degrees, northwest wind of 11 to 13 miles an hour, becoming southeast in the morning. Winds could gust as high as 20 miles an hour. Sunday night, snow likely, mainly after midnight, or mainly before midnight, mostly cloudy with a low of just 6 degrees. Again, just 6 degrees on Sunday night. Northwest wind 11 to 15 miles an hour with gusts as high as 22 miles an hour. It is going to be darn right cold out there Sunday night into Monday. And we do have another chance of snowfall on Monday as well, continuing. So that's all we have today. Again, watch for our snowman reports when we do start getting snowfall in. We'll keep you updated on the severe weather as well. Just a lot of things going on in the forecast, so stay tuned for the updated forecast as much as possible. I have another video update as long as everything is working correctly tomorrow morning. Thanks for watching, everyone. Stay safe out there and have a good rest of the day.